Hi and welcome to our video sprint review. In this short video we'll go over our user stories individually and maybe show you guys a demo of how the website looks after sprint 2. So hope you enjoy.
Hi guys, my name is Azhar. I worked on the night mode for this project. So with the night mode, our main intention was to create functionality on the website that we can use so that we can use the website in a dark or dimly lit environment. One of the main challenges we had with creating a night mode was making sure that when the user would switch into the night mode, they would not be instantly blinded by the change in the contrast of the colors. So to do this, one of the things we decided to do was to change the text color from white to light gray, which would help reduce the contrast and decrease the amount of blinding effect our website had on the user.
Hi, my name is Bilal. I'm a developer for the Space Bubble team. For Sprint 2, I undertook the challenge to download the CSV file of the records table. Based on the reasons we chose a CSV file is because for Sprint 3 we want to implement an AI functionality to our website so it can predict patterns better in CSV files. It's more compatible with MATLAB or Python if we choose to use those languages for AI. In order to complete my part of the sprint, I had to wait for Ahmed to finish his part, which was creating the records table. Once the record table was made, I then implemented a function to download the records table as a CSV file.
Hi, my name is Ahmed. I'm the Scrum Master and a backend developer in the Spaceball team. What I worked on this sprint was the functionality of keeping a record of how busy the rooms are. The rooms were in the past. The reason why we're developing this feature is this feature will enable building owners to reassign resources according to the busyness of the rooms. One more thing is we're planning on developing a machine learning algorithm that will enable us to predict how busy the rooms will be in the future using the past data. The challenges that I faced this sprint were mostly keeping a record of time on Linux and Windows servers. In order to surpass this challenge, I wrote some bash script for Linux and some Python script for the Windows machine, for the Windows server in order to define time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Bonita Rida. I'm working as one of the developer in Space Bubble project for Sprint 2, and my responsible is to work on navigation map and also the admin interface. And the reason I was doing this because I want the admin so the admin can insert the overall building and they can customize the building map and then get into the area map. And the challenge of making this sprint is working with SVG. SVG is quite hard to work to make it mobile friendly.
Hi, my name is Yusuf. I'm a software engineer at Spacebubble and a back-end and a front-end developer. The feature I worked on was making charts for the admin. This feature was to display history of 2 areas or more and a line chart to be able to compare between them. This feature wasn't hard to make, but the challenges we faced were basically integrating the chart with the backend system. It wasn't very difficult, but I would say most of the difficulty we faced was just integrating the data with the chart, that's all. The reason we made this feature is to enable the admin to compare between one area and the other in the database. The admin will be this will like help the admin relocate resources between one area and the other if needed. We believe this feature can be helpful for buildings that have limited resources.
So our main goals for this sprint were to make graphs based on the data we collected and to make a dark mode for our website.
So in the sprint 2, our done is defining as a team is when we finish our user story and everything is working fine and our goal is met to what we planning to.
Our burn down chart shows that we're mostly on track for the sprint. The one lapse in the chart is basically time we spent on other commitments we had to commit to.
Alright, cool. So our goals for Sprint 3, we have two goals for Sprint 3. One is implementing an image detection feature that gets information from like cameras in the rooms, and then they can do a head count on how many people are in a room using image detection. Our second goal is to actually make a machine learning algorithm that will figure out how many people will be in a room in the future using the previous data that we had previously. That's it for this sprint. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Okay.
I feel like you're gonna talk like that. Hi, my name is Balam.
Okay.
Is it bubble space or space bubble?
Okay, let's go. So 3, 2, 1. Shit, he's gonna.
To make it mobile friendly for the mobile. I guess. I don't know.
Hi, my name.
What do we say?